Now there's this new trend, which is tilapia farming. It's been on for quite some time. I mean, from the biblical days now, but some folks are taking big steps to make Nigeria become #1 in the tilapia world after Egypt and Ghana. I'm sure we're going to quickly overtake them. Now, of course, for every revolution, the first thing is to have access to parent stock, quality parent stock. And here we are here, some parent stocks here, waiting for production of fingerlings for the budding tilapia market. Now you know the advantage of tilapia is that they don't cannibalize themselves. The only problem is the growth of the overpopulation due to stunted growth, because the girls are promiscuous in quotes, always giving birth to babies. But you want a big fish, right? So what we're going to let you know is that the moment you get parent stock, there are two options. Either you buy the all-male tilapia babies, or you go for the parents, pay good price for the parent stock, and then you produce on your own. And that's at a cost to you. Or the second option is to buy the fingerlings that have been treated, either selected, all boys, or treated with hormone, the normal healthy hormone, to actually make all the girls to become boys, and then pronto you go good stock like we have in here. Have a look at there. Let the cameraman zoom in. We are materials there, not related to the Tamboro, but you can see a few of them. They run away when they see the camera coming in. Next time, probably buy a long selfie stick to do a much more professional thing. Well, pardon us for that. So for those of you who want parent stock, give me a call, we discuss price. And then those of you who want healthy, all male boys, tilapia, give us a call too. You know me already.